What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Avi this side, and today I'll be taking you through a chest workout routine which you can do at home, for which you'll be requiring no external equipment. So you'll be relying majorly on the body weight movements. So guys, our main movement is gonna be tempo push-ups or controlled pace push-ups. So we talked about tempo in the previous video of workout at home series, where we went through a routine for arms, where we also made homemade equipments and talked briefly about tempo. Please check out the video if you haven't checked out the video yet. So guys, like I told you, we'll be relying a lot on body weight movements. A lot of push-ups will be there, or variations of push-ups. So if you want the best effect of this workout, make sure you are very good with push-ups. For example, let's say 30 plus push-ups in one go. If you are new to push-ups or you're even intermediate in push-ups, you can do the scale down by putting the knees on the floor for whatever variation of push-up we'll be doing in this workout. So guys, starting with the first movement, we'll be going with tempo push-ups, for which the tempo is gonna be 4-1-1, meaning slowly down in 4 seconds, a mandatory hold of 1 second, and coming up fast, holding and repeating the same thing again. Total repetition for this movement is gonna be 10. Now some do's and don'ts, we're gonna quickly discuss them. So your shoulders should be landing in front of your palms, your elbows should be pointing back. Make sure you're not shrugging your shoulders. Now next, the most important thing guys, make sure you're not compromising with the tempo time. Let's say if you're falling down or going down in less than 4 seconds every time, you're unable to control the pace till 4 seconds, make sure you're scaling down at the appropriate time. By the third set, my knees were already on the floor, and by the fourth set of this movement, I was already on the scale down version by putting the knees on the floor. So please do not let the ego lifting tell you that you can't scale down in a home workout. You can scale down even in a home workout. Quickly shake your hands guys, recover your arms, and move on to the second movement, which is gonna be grip shift push-ups. So in total you have to do 15 push-ups, where the first 5 push-ups you have to do with a wide stance. Your hands are very wide, fingers facing out. The next 5 are standard grip push-ups, where your palms are right outside the shoulders. And the last 5 repetition, close grip push-ups, where your palms are right under the shoulders or slightly closer than that. 15 repetitions like this. Feel free to scale down at any time if you're new to the movement push-ups, or if push-ups are difficult for you. Third movement after grip shift push-up is gonna be half push-up hold guys. Again, least break, as fast as you can. Start the third movement named half push-up hold. Do's and don'ts are the same. Your shoulders falling in front of your palms, elbows pointing back, no shrugging of the shoulders. Shrugging means shoulder moving towards your chin. Feel the muscle fibers, try to hold for 30 seconds at least. New to the movement push-ups, put your knees down, have your body flat, your shoulder, hip and knee in one line. So guys, quickly giving a brief of the first 3 movements. You have to do these 3 movements back to back with least break, and repeat this tricep at least 3 times. If you're regular with push-ups, feel free to go for the 4th round also. So guys, moving on to the workout finisher with the movement valley press. You can use any light weight. The weight I'm using here is just a 4 kg dumbbell. You can use a brick, 2 bricks combined, a bottle filled with water, anything. So this movement is not about the weight, is about feeling the muscle, also called a muscle mind coordination. So some do's and don'ts about this movement: your shoulders should not be elevated or shrugged, meaning not moving towards your ears. Your shoulders should be down and relaxed. Fine. So your chest is out. Start with the weight right under your chest. Now as you move the weight forward, squeeze your chest muscle. Think about the chest muscle. Extend the elbow all the way forward in a very slow and controlled manner. Get the weight back right under your chest. Shoulders are still down. Total duration is 30 seconds. Total sets of this movement is 3.